Hello everyone, welcome to my food blog. Today we are making egg bhurji, a short and quick recipe. Yes, short and quick recipe we can make in within 5 minutes. That's it. I have taken onion, green chili, 3 eggs for 2 people, and we add the spices, uh, red chili powder, and olive oil. I'm going to use olive oil. It's up to you. If you want to use, you can use any oil, any other oil, whatever in your home you have. Okay, let's switch on the gas. Okay, this flame is on. Egg bhurji, it's very famous north side. We can have with roti, chapati, parota. We usually eat with wheat paratha. Okay, let's heat the pan. It is not heated. Okay, it's fine now. Let's use the oil. Let's wait for 1 or 2 minutes to oil to get heated. I use shahi zeera to enhance the flavor. Don't use more. You can eat light shahi zeera. It will give a good flavor. Okay, now it's time to go onion and green chili. You should not brown this onion. Light 2 or 3 minutes, that's fine. You should not burn more. Okay, I think onion is cooked. I'm going to add red chili powder. I'm not going to use turmeric here. A little bit turmeric we can use. Some people they are making yellow type egg bhurji. I'm making this red, adding chili, tikka lal chili powder. Okay. You can add little turmeric powder, that's fine. Salt, up to your taste. You can add how much quantity you have, that much salt you can add. Okay. Slow the flame. Okay. One egg. Two egg. And it goes third one. See, whenever you're making this egg bhurji, immediately you should not mix the egg and egg white. Okay, let's cook for few minutes, then you have to mix. Okay. It's look good. Now I'm going to flame high. Still it's not mix. If you mix immediately, let's get some bubbles. This white is the right white yolk. It should get turned into completely white. Then we can start mixing. Okay, it started getting bubbles now. Still a little bit few. Okay, now I can mix. Okay. Okay. That's it, it's cooked now. Now we're going to add a little bit dhania. Wow, this look good. Okay, dhania is already chopped. Coriander, kotimir, dhania, all are same. Okay, we can add now. Now we can mix it. Okay, that's it. Please like and subscribe to my channel if you like this recipe. I know most of them already prepared this recipe. Let's enjoy egg bhurji with chapati, wheat chapati. Okay. Please like and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next vlog. See you guys. Roti, wheat roti and egg bhurji is a good combination for morning breakfast. Yes, most of them love egg bhurji and roti to have in morning breakfast. Okay, please like and subscribe to my channel. We'll see you next vlog soon. Bye.